Okay, now that it's mounted, the next step is going to be connecting the propane from this fitting through the floor around into the regulator. Alright, this is the fitting that came with the heater. It's a compression fitting for a 1/4 inch tube. So our next step is drilling the hole in the floor to run the 1/4 inch tube through. I put a grommet in the place, and then once I run the line through, I'll seal it with some gasket maker. Alright, the next thing we need to take care of is the wiring. I have this 12-volt wire coming from the camper battery. That needs to be hooked to this wire, and this black one needs to be grounded somewhere. First we have to take off this plate so that we can get to the plugs, so we'll do that now. Alright, now I'm going to drill a little hole for a grounding screw. I think we'll do it over here by all the other wires. And then we'll ground the negative to the trailer frame, and we'll butt the positive together using the little fuse box. It's as simple as that. You got the power wire going through the fuse that's provided. And you got the ground wire connected, and it runs into the unit. This other plug is for the controller, which we'll plug in when we test it. Alright, now we're going to work on the combustion inlet and exhaust pipes. The inlet is this black hose here. It slides over this blue fitting, and then it's tightened down. I'm going to leave a little bit of space so that you can get your silicone up in there. Alright, now that that's good and tight, we'll go ahead and hook up the exhaust. The exhaust is the stainless steel pipe with this high heat fitting. Slide that over, like so. So that means that this goes into that hole, and then the clamp clamps them both together. Let's see if we can get that on there. I don't have quite enough room. I might have to loosen the heater a little bit and slide it around. Turns out the sleeve goes all the way up to the bottom of the heater. Then the metal exhaust takes up the space between the sleeve and the little stub that sticks out. In that case, You only need one hose clamp to tighten everything together. All right, here's a mock-up of the propane line. It'll run out of the bottom of the regulator, down, and then back up with 1/4-inch tube into the Propex heater. And I have a plug at this end. Eventually it's going to run all the way to the back of the trailer for a grill. Here it is mocked up. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and put the gas line together. Got a little bit of help from someone who knows what they're doing a little better than I do. Finished up. To seat that grommet still. As you can see, we are up and running. We got heat. That's all we're gonna do today. Tune in next week. I'll put in the ductwork and button up the exhaust and combustion intake. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tune in for the next video.